Is your heavy-duty diesel truck completely refusing to start on a freezing cold morning, leaving you stranded in the driveway? You might have a burned-out heating element inside your engine. Let us break down diagnostic trouble code P0682. This OBD2 powertrain code stands for cylinder 12 glow plug circuit. Unlike gasoline engines that use spark plugs to ignite the fuel, diesel engines rely entirely on extreme cylinder pressure to create enough heat for combustion. However, when the metal engine block is freezing cold, that heat escapes too quickly. To solve this, diesel engines use pencil-shaped heaters called glow plugs threaded directly into the cylinder head. When you turn your key in cold weather, the computer sends power to these plugs, making them glow red hot to warm up the cylinder before you crank the engine. If the main computer detects an electrical fault preventing the glow plug on cylinder number 12 from heating up, it turns on the check engine light and logs this specific code. Because this code only affects one single cylinder, the symptoms might be mild but still very annoying. The most obvious sign is a very hard start condition, or the truck might not start at all if the weather is extremely cold. Once the engine does finally fire up, you might notice a lack of power, engine hesitation, or a rough misfire until the heavy block fully warms up to operating temperature. You might also notice that the coiled preheat light on your dashboard acts abnormally. The most common cause for this code is simply a worn-out or completely burned-out glow plug on cylinder 12. It could also be a broken fusible link wire, a loose electrical connector on the valve cover, or a failing glow plug control module. To fix this at home, you need a digital volt-ohm meter. First, locate the glow plug for cylinder 12 and disconnect the electrical wire. Set your meter to ohms and touch the red lead to the glow plug terminal and the black lead to a solid metal ground on the engine. You are looking for a reading between 0.5 and 2.0 ohms. If the meter shows a very high number or no continuity at all, the glow plug is totally dead and must be replaced. Next, carefully inspect the heavy gauge wires running from the main relay to the glow plug bus bar. Look for any melted insulation or cracked connections. If the glow plug passes the test and the wires look perfect, the issue might be buried deeper in the control module. When should you hand the keys to a professional diesel mechanic? Diesel glow plugs get covered in hard carbon buildup over time, and they frequently snap off completely inside the cylinder head when you try to unscrew them. If a glow plug breaks off, it usually requires removing the entire cylinder head to extract it, which is a massive and expensive job. If the plug feels stuck, stop immediately and let a pro handle it. Stay warm out there and drive safe.